Hey there, online shoppers. If you've been searching for affordable dentures, you may have stumbled across the AoyaaNew Dentures ads popping up all over the internet. But before you click buy now, let me walk you through why this so-called deal is actually one big scam. Let's start with the biggest red flags. Hundreds of customers on Trustpilot and the BBB scam tracker say they either received nothing at all or just a bag of cheap plastic and some thermal beads. Definitely not the professional dentures the ads promised. The site claims their dentures won't discolor for 30 years and even promises a 10x money-back guarantee. Sounds too good to be true? That's because it is. Now, if you try to get help, good luck. Emails bounce, WhatsApp links don't work, and the company flat out ignores refund requests. That's a classic scam move. Make the product sound amazing, ghost the customer after payment, and vanish with your cash. But here's the most important part. Dental experts warn that these boil and bite kits can actually damage your gums, mess with your bite, or even cause infections. Please don't risk your health for a quick online bargain. So, what can you do if you got caught in this scam? First, contact your bank or PayPal right away and start a chargeback, especially if it's been less than 120 days since you paid. Next, report the website to the BBB scam tracker. This helps alert others before they get burned too. And finally, don't give these scammers any more info, period. No emails, no phone calls, nothing. Stay smart, stay safe, and never trust deals that seem just a little too perfect.